Hello students, welcome to Geometry School. Students, today I will get you the current affairs of the month June, and this is part 3rd. I have already covered part 1 and part 2, and as you know, in each part I cover 25 questions. 25 questions. Most of the questions are of from current affairs section, and in a whole month I bring 4 parts. So total number of questions I cover, that is 25 into 4, 100 questions in each month. Okay, and the language of this video will be in English medium. And for which exam these questions will be helpful. These questions will be helpful for RIMC exam for the December session 2022. For RMS exam, for which the exam will be conducted on January 2023. In this exam the video will be very helpful, and there is a small portion of current affair in All India Sainik School Entrance Examination. In this exam you will get help from this video. So you have to be very consistent while preparing for the current affairs or static GK or any other subjects. So consistency is the main factor. If you think that I will watch all the videos at once, then you will forget all the questions. Most of the question will be wipe out from your memory during the examination. So I request all the students, don't try to watch all the video at once or near the exam. Do watch the video when I publish, when the video is uploaded on our platform. Do watch as soon as possible. Okay, so if you want to get any information regarding live class, book a demo, hostel facility, recorded mock other, you can fill up this form from our official website and submit it. Our expert team will call you back and will provide you proper information. Our foundation batch has been started already, so those students who did not join till now, they can join now, because very limited seats are available till now, and the syllabus is not the syllabus is we have not covered too much syllabus in this foundation batch till now. So you can join. If you join this, and the journey for cracking the December session RIMC exam will be very easy. So foundation batch will be very useful for students who want to prepare for the December RIMC. You can prepare through hostel facilities. This is our hostel program. You can call on this number and get proper information about the hostel charges, hostel facilities, how do we prepare the students for the in the hostel. You can get every information from here. Through scan this QR code and join the Telegram group through Google Lens. How will you join the live classes for RIMC? You can join live classes for RIMC, RMS, Sainik School, JNVST, UP Sainik School, or any other school entrance test. Just dial these numbers. These are our official number. Call on these numbers, and our team will provide you proper information. This is our recorded courses. You can avail these courses. These are our test series. You can take these test series. So today I will cover part 3rd of the month June 2022. So let's start. Last time I gave you a burning question. In every video I provide you a burning question. Burning question is very important. Who among the following had written the poem सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में. तो ये जो पोयम है, ये किसने लिखी थी? तो इसको लिखा था आपका बिस्मिल अजीम बादी. ओके, बिस्मिल अजीम बादी. ओके, राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी. और जो राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल है, इन्होंने इसको व्हाट अबाउट राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल? राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल made this poem very famous. Okay, the original writer was Bismil Azim Badi, and Ram Prasad Bismil made this poem famous by singing. Okay, so the original writer of this poem is Bismil Azim Badi. Next question. When World Day to combat desertification and drought is observed? So it is a UN day. So to combat desertification and drought, the day is 17th of June. The day is 17th of June. And what is the theme? The theme is rising up from drought together. Rising up from drought together. What is the rank of India in IMD? IMD, Institute of Management Development. What is the full form? IMD, Institute of Management Development. Not very important. Full form is not very important. You have to just remember the rank. What is the rank of Indian IMD World Competitiveness Index 2022? The rank of India is 37. The India's rank is 37. And which country is number one? Out of 63, total countries are 63. Denmark is number one. Denmark is number one, and India upgrade 6 places. Last year India was at 43. Now this time India is at 37 place. Okay. Federal Reserve is the central bank authority of which country? So Federal Reserve is the central bank authority of United States of America. Like as India as the central bank authority, Reserve Bank of India, RBI. In the similar way, Federal Reserve is the central monetary authority, central bank authority of United States of America. Okay. So the correct answer is option number A. HomoSap is a septic tanks cleaning robot without human intervention. So without human, you can from this robot will clean up the tanks, sewage tanks. So which IIT developed this robot? So this robot is developed by Madras IIT. Madras IIT. The right answer is Madras. Recently, which state has been ranked as the best in the startup ecosystem ranking in Asia? So in Asia, which state has been ranked as best startup ecosystem? That is Kerala. What is the meaning of startup ecosystem? Means the Kerala government provide all the facility that will help to develop startups. Startup means new companies. Okay, baby companies. So the most helpful government of which state? The Kerala government is the most helpful helpful state to provide to boost the startup. Okay. Now, who is the chief minister? Pinarayi Vijayan is the chief minister. Arif Muhammad Khan is the governor, and there is a lake in Kerala, that is Vembanad Lake. And Kerala, there are two classical dance, Mohiniyattam and Kathakali. And Kerala is a word derived from Kera, which means coconut. Okay. Next question. Recently, Prithvi second missile successfully test fired during night time. Okay, this is the night version. What is the target range of this missile? The target range of this missile is 350 kilometer. 350 kilometer. Recently launched Agnipath scheme. Very important. I am marking this very important question. Recently launched Agnipath scheme is for recruitment of youth in which field? So Agnipath is recruitment for youth in armed force. Or for how many years? This is important. For 4 years. 4 years. And what is the post that the 4 years when any person is recruited in the Agnipath scheme? What is the name of the post he will get? He will get a tag of Agniveer. Agniveer. You have to remember this name also. So there are 3 questions. It is for armed forces, Navy, Air Force, and Indian Army. And the tenure is 4 years. And the name, that is the post, will be given as Agniveer. And 46th. 46 around 46 the recruitment is going on when I am recording this video, and the recruitment is going on. Okay, Agniveers. Now next question. D is the right answer. Fruits Initiative is associated with which state? So Fruits Initiative is associated with Karnataka. Who is the chief minister of Karnataka? Basavaraj Bommai is the chief minister of Karnataka. And what is the full form of Fruits? The Fruits is Farmer Registration and Unified Beneficiary Information System. Farmer Registration and Unified Beneficiary Information System. Okay, IT means information system. So basically it is for farmers, and all the schemes will be all the benefits to the farmer will be provided to this scheme through Aadhaar registration. Okay, this is a software. It is attached with Aadhaar authentication, and all the benefits, all the beneficiary scheme like as Manrega and Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, all the schemes, all the benefits will be provided through this software. Okay, next question. This is our hostel facility. Just dial on this number and avail all the information about hostel if you want to do a preparation through hostels. Who among the following won the Azerbaijan Grand Prix? Azerbaijan Grand Prix 2022 won by Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen. The right answer is Max Verstappen. And what is the capital of Azerbaijan? Its capital is Baku. You have to remember this. And Max Verstappen has become the most successful Red Bull driver. What is the country of Max Verstappen? He is a Belgian. He is a Belgium. Okay, Belgian, Brussels capital. And he won also Canadian Grand Prix. He also won Canadian Grand Prix. Okay. Next question. 8th Global Conference of Young Parliamentarian hosted by which nation? So, Young Parliamentary Conference was hosted by Egypt. And what is the capital of Egypt? Egypt capital is Cairo. Euro is the currency. Is not euro. Currency is not euro. It is Egyptian pound. Okay, not euro. So the right answer is option number B. India's first private train service was flagged off under which scheme? So India's first private train scheme was flagged off under Bharat Gaurav scheme, and it will operated between Coimbatore to Sirdi, and the train will cover several historical destinations on the route. Okay, and various cultural heritage sites of the country. Okay, you can see various cultural heritage site of the country. Okay, next question. Avni Lekhara represents India in which game? So Avni Lekhara represents India in shooting. The correct answer is shooting. B is the right answer. Has been appointed as the chairperson of Press Council of India. The chairperson is Ranjana Prakash Desai. Okay, and Press Council of India (PCI) was founded on 4th July 1966, but it started functioning on 16 November. That's why 16 November 1966. That's why we celebrate National Press Day or National Journalism Day on 16 November. World Press Freedom Day is 3rd May. That is difference. This is National Press Day, National Journalism Day, 16 November. Okay, next question. Recently, Government of India approved the plan of 5G technology. What is G in the 5G? So G in the 5G is generation. You use the internet 4G, 3G, 2G. So this G is generation. 4th generation, 5th generation. This is 5th generation. Which country has become the first European nation to have unified payment interface facility? So you have to tell the European nation. So is Canada is a European nation? No. Canada is not an European nation. It is a North American nation. So now the remaining answer, these all countries are European nation. So the correct answer is option number B, France. Okay, France capital is Paris. Next question, and the currency of France is euro. So if you have not joined RIMC Foundation batch till now, then join it hurriedly, because if you do so much late, then you will not get the benefit. You will not be as active as the other students. So, and for you to crack the RIMC December session will be very hard, will be impossible if you do late. 44th Chess Olympiad will be hosted by which nation? So it will be hosted by, for the first time, it will be hosted by India. And who is the inventor of chess? If the question comes, who is the inventor of chess? India is the inventor of chess. Which country invent the chess? India invent the chess. And uh, in which state the chess Olympiad will be hosted? It will be hosted by Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, Mahabalipuram, location is Tamil Nadu, Mahabalipuram. And this event, Chess Olympiad, held every 2 years. Like as World Cup, Cricket World Cup is 4 years, and other events is FIFA World Cup 4 years. Similarly, the Chess Olympiad is after conduct every after 2 years. Okay, after 2 years. And yes, all these are important. R Pragnananda, you have to remember R Pragnananda is the important chess player. Like as Vishwanathan Anand, now R Pragnananda is the number one. Next question. And which body conducted the chess game? That is FIDE. FIDE, FIDE. Recently, a 3-day international literary festival, Unmesha was organized. So Unmesha was organized in Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. Right answer is Himachal Pradesh. This is the right answer. Which country hosts the 14th BRICS Summit? So 14th BRICS Summit was hosted, will be hosted by China. Okay, China hosted the 14th BRICS Summit. And what is the full form of BRICS? B means Brazil, R means Russia, I means India, C means China, and S means South Africa. Okay, this is BRICS. And they have a bank, BRICS Bank, that is New Development Bank, NDB, New Development Bank. And the summit will be hosted in Beijing, the capital city of China. Xi Jinping is the president of China. Pranati Nayak represents India in which game? Pranati Nayak represents India in gymnast. She is in gymnastics. Okay, she represents India in gymnast. The correct answer is option number A. Gobind Sagar Reservoir is located in which state? So Gobind Sagar Reservoir is located in Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. And it is at which in which district it is located? It is located in Bilaspur and Una district. It is situated in Una and Bilaspur district. The reservoir is on the Sutlej River. Sutlej River. Now I want to the name of this Govind Sagar Reservoir is named on the 10th Sikh Guru Govind Singh, and named in honor of the Guru Govind Singh, the 10th Sikh Guru. Now you have not to be confused. Govind Ballabh Pant. This time in the RIMC 4 June 2022 RIMC, the question came Govind Ballabh Pant Reservoir. Govind Ballabh Pant Reservoir. Okay, so Govind Ballabh Pant Reservoir is in UP. Rihand Dam. It is also in Rihand Reservoir. Rihand. It is because it is situated on the Rihand River. But this is Govind Sagar. Govind Ballam and Govind Sagar is totally different. And why it is in news? Because special forces of the Indian Army and Indian Force carried out 2 joint exercises on the Govind Sagar Reservoir to practice on the deployment or through the water, parachute jump. Okay, if Indian Army forces want to deploy its soldiers on water, so to fast deployment, the Indian Army and Air Force practice through aerial deployment on through this reservoir. Okay, that's why this question was in news. World Refugee Day falls every year on 20th of June. 20th of June. And what is the theme? The theme is Together We Heal, Learn and Shine. Together We Heal, Learn and Shine. And this day is honored by United Nations. This day is designated by United Nations. Anahat Singh is associated with the sports of squash. The correct answer is squash. C is the right answer. Baiko festival is good harvest and rain in celebrated by the people of which state? So it is celebrated by the people of Assam. Correct answer is Assam. Name the author who won the Women's Prize for Fiction. So the author is actually the author is from America, Canadian author, and Buddhist priest. The correct answer is C, Ruth Ozeki. Ruth Ozeki. And what is the name of this book? She had written. The book is The Book of Foam and Emptiness. Emptiness. The Book of Foam and Emptiness. She had written this book. Who among the following won Men's Indonesian Open 2022? So Indonesian Open won by Victor Alexander, the Denmark badminton player. And in the women's category, it is Chinese Tai Yu Ying. Not much important. This is important. Lakshya Sen from Uttarakhand, our Indian badminton player. Which among the following city will not just be careful, will not host the FIFA World Cup 2026? So America will host, Canada will host, Mexico will host, the Argentina will not host. So all the major North American country will host. So in US 11 cities, in America 11 cities, 3 cities will Mexico and 2 cities will the Canada. Okay, 11 cities America, 2 cities Canada, 3 cities in Mexico. This is our hostel classes. You can avail this. Gustavo Petro won the presidential election of which country? So Gustavo Petro won the presidential election of Colombia. And what is the capital of Colombia? Very important, Bogota. And currency of Colombia is Colombian peso. Colombian peso. Is the world's best airport for 2022? So the airport is Hamad International Airport. Correct answer is Hamad. And where is Hamad International? Hamad International Airport is in Doha. Doha. Indira Gandhi International Airport, India's best. India's number 1 airport is IGI, Indira Gandhi International. And what is the overall ranking in the world? That is 37. IGI overall ranking in the world is 37. And best regional airport, Kempegowda, India's Kempegowda, that is Bangalore. Kempegowda Airport, Bangalore Airport is the best regional airport in South Asia. And Heathrow Airport is in London. Next question. Who is the author of the book? Bharatiya Samvidhan Ankahi Kahani. Bharatiya Samvidhan Ankahi Kahani is written by Ram Bahadur Rai. C is the right answer. Which city hosted the main event of International Yoga Day? The main event of International Yoga Day is hosted by Karnataka city is Mysuru. And what is the theme of International Yoga Day? Yoga for Humanity. Very important. Yoga for Humanity. International Yoga Day is observed on 21st June. Very important. And this is the 8th time India is hosting this is the 8th International Yoga Day. And the highlight of this year is Guardian Ring of Yoga, which brings for the concept of one sun, one earth. Guardian Rings of Yoga, one sun, one earth. Today's last question or burning question. You have to answer the burning question in the comment box. What was the name of the first Satyagraha led by Mahatma Gandhi? When Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa after doing his law practice, what was the name of first Satyagraha he led? You have to tell this question in the comment box. Let's watch how many of you answer this question in the comment box. If you have not joined the RIMC Foundation batch till now, you can join it and secure your rank in December session RIMC. These are recorded questions. You can avail this question test series. If you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, then you will be available to watch all the videos at time. And do like videos, share it to your friends so that they can get maximum benefit from our current affairs and other video facility. Our static GK and complete package Sankalp has been launched. So I request, if you hit the bell icon. Maximum student will benefit from this Sankalp series because it is free of cost, no charges. So if you have any doubt, you can call on this number for any information. So student, all the best. Thanks for watching.